In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image widgets to dashboards in Smartsheet. We'll walk through this from the point of view of someone who already has a dashboard open and wants to make it more visual and engaging by adding images like logos, diagrams, or reference graphics. Adding image widgets is a great way to make key information stand out and to give your dashboard a more polished, branded look. First, make sure you're on the dashboard you want to edit and that you're in edit mode. If you're seeing options to add or rearrange widgets, you're in the right place. Look to the right-hand side of your screen for the vertical toolbar. On this toolbar, you'll see a plus sign icon. This plus sign is how you add new widgets to your dashboard layout. Go ahead and click that plus sign. As soon as you click it, Smartsheet will open a panel showing different widget types you can add, such as charts, metrics, text, and so on. From this list, you're going to choose Image. Click on the Image option to start creating an image widget. This tells Smartsheet that you want to place a picture on your dashboard instead of something like a chart or text block. After you select Image, Smartsheet will guide you through the rest with on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked where your image should come from. You can usually upload a file from your computer or select an existing image if you have one stored in a supported location. Choose the option that works best for you, then browse to the image file you want to use, like your company logo or a screenshot. Once you've selected the image, you'll see a preview of it on your dashboard. The prompts may also allow you to adjust basic settings, such as how the image scales or aligns within the widget. Take a moment here to make sure the image looks clear and isn't stretched or cut off in an awkward way. If something doesn't look right, you can cancel and pick a different file, or adjust your image and upload again. After you confirm the image, the widget will appear on your dashboard layout. From there, you can drag it to the exact location you want, and resize it by dragging the edges or corners. This lets you balance your dashboard visually, so the image supports your other widgets without overwhelming them. When you're happy with the placement and size, save your dashboard changes so the image widget is visible to anyone who has access.